Thanks for joining us. Before we get started, please like, share, comment, and subscribe. And remember to hit the bell for notifications.
Well, it's a new day here. Kind of got the shop cleaned up a little bit. But today, Andy's showing up with my engine. We're going to try to get it put in today. Everybody's waiting. There's Rocky waiting. He's waiting for cookies, maybe.
We just got the engine here. Our friend Andy rebuilt it for Alan, and we're getting ready to put it into the truck. Sure is pretty.
We need a little stand for it. You know, I was looking at that, man, that looks like it just welded or something.
Yeah, just the other day.
Wow.
And then I put these braces on it this morning. Because I had it bolted to the engine stand. It's like, I didn't want to try to put this pan and all. I didn't want to set it back in that pallet and strap it down like that.
You know, way back when, I was thinking, well, is he going to put on the old pan so he don't scrap up the new pan? And I thought, no, because then you have to peel it off, so he'll figure out how to put the new pan on and won't get it dirty.
There you go. I did.
Yeah.
Okay. Now the fun begins.
Truck toasting up.
Yeah.
Are you coming back with me?
Okay, should just, I can go up a little bit more now. Okay, should. Stupid wheel straight. There we go, okay.
So does it just kind of swing?
Yeah, we can swing it, but we gotta take that stand off. I was gonna sit it down.
Oh, okay.
Goes your way. That's probably good right there. Hopefully,
Did it set right in between?
yeah, it will. Hopefully it's, yeah, it should. Gotta lengthen that chain before we go back in too. Yeah. Okay, yeah, so now we use 9/16 and I think it was 11/16. Stop here from the ratchet. And then 9/16. And these bolts back here gotta come up.
Are these ready?
Yeah.
So we need those motor mount things pretty quick, huh?
Yeah. But what we do, find all your bolts.
Oh, okay.
Leave it storage again.
Huh?
Leave it on the.
Well, it's late in the evening, kind of a long day, but we got the engine in here. It's all bolted to the tranny. Flywheel's all bolted up, starter's on, alternated, the whole. It's sitting there for the next phase. We'll do the gas lines and a little bit of wiring, and we're gonna try to at least fire it up.
Not till you get some oil in it.
Oh yeah, Andy said there's no oil in it, huh? I better set the oil can up on top. I don't forget it in here. There we go. Now remember to put the oil in it. But it's been a long day and it sure looks pretty sitting in there, and Andy did a wonderful job on it. Now we'll be able to drive around in it next year. We got the new shifter going on the inside, and we got the new radiator over there. We think we might have it figured out. But everything just being a little tight. Well, it's the end of a long day and time's getting short. We'll go inside and eat and shower and shave and all the good stuff. So we'll catch you on the next one. Oh, bye.
Thanks again for watching. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And remember to hit the bell for notifications.